What's up, lovely people? Welcome back. So today I'm just gonna share this simple juice recipe. I posted a tamarind juice recipe on my Instagram a while back. Now this recipe is slightly different with the fact that I'm going to add some spice to it, and as the title says, spice tamarind juice. Alright, so these are all the ingredients. If you're not familiar with tamarind, this is how they look outside the shell, and this is how they look inside the shell. Okay, now for the spices, you will need cinnamon sticks and cloves. You will also need a decent sized ginger, and tamarind is very tart for the most part, so you will need some sort of sweetener. I'm gonna use brown sugar. You can choose any sweetener of choice. So right here I'm basically removing the tamarind from the shell, which is very simple. So after you have removed the tamarind from the shell, there's like a string attached to the tamarind. You want to remove that as well. Okay, so now I'm going to move on to the ginger. So I've already gone ahead and peel and wash my ginger, and I'm going to grate them, and that's just to release more of that flavor. So what I'm going to do next is to boil the ginger along with the cinnamon and the cloves in about 10 cups of water. Now once that comes to a boil, I'm going to add the tamarind, turn off my heat, and allow that to steep for a couple of hours. So after you have added the tamarind, you want to remove your pot from the heat, and then you want to allow that to steep for a couple of hours. Now a couple of hours have passed, and now it's time to strain this off and then add my sweetener. So right before you strain the juice, I want you to give this a good stir. And what you can also do is to use a spoon, pick up some of the tamarinds and then press to the side of the pot. And this is just to remove some more of that pulp so you get the most out of the tamarinds. So this is what's left after straining, and honestly you can just add half the amount of water and you get some more tamarind juice. Okay, so the next step is to add your sweetener, and as I mentioned before, you can add any sweetener of choice and sweeten this to your desired taste. So after adding the sweetener, I'm going to strain this one more time. wish you all could just smell the aroma that's coming from this. With the combination of the ginger, the cinnamon, the cloves, this smells amazing. And there you have it, a simple, refreshing juice recipe. Now, tamarind has many health and medicinal benefits. I will list some of those in the description. And tamarind is not just limited to juice. You can make sauces out of it. You can make jams. You can eat it by itself, make tamarind balls, and the list goes on. So you can put this in the refrigerator to cool or serve right away with ice. Thank you so much for watching. Please remember to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for some more amazing recipes. God bless.